right, Mr. Claxton's a1cp class. This video is going to be about simplifying exponential expressions today. We're going to use many properties, well not many, a couple properties of exponents in order to simplify them, to make them easier on the eyes, right? That's what your grandparents would say, make them easier on the eyes. So the first thing that we have here is we have the quantity 4w squared over 6w to the fourth, that quantity raised to the third power. Again, there's an easy way and a hard way to do this. What we want to do is we want to simplify first, if possible. Okay, so let's simplify it first from the inside. And when I say simplify first, we're going to go ahead and simplify everything in the parentheses before we raise everything to that third power. Okay, otherwise it can get kind of messy and cumbersome. So simplify first. We're going to go ahead, in order to simplify what's inside, and I'm going to go ahead and work down here. Well, I know that I can rewrite 4/6, okay? 4/6, I really have two components. I have the numbers, and then I have the variables. W squared over W to the fourth, okay? W squared over W to the fourth. All right, and I know I've just broken up what's inside my parentheses. Well, I should know that 4/6 is going to reduce to 2/3, okay? And then W squared divided by W to the fourth. Well, I want to look at this one like this. I don't want to write it using negative exponents. So I want to identify which one has the bigger exponent. So which, the numerator or denominator, okay, which one of these has the bigger exponent? Obviously it's W to the fourth has the bigger exponent. So I'm going to subtract, okay, I'm going to subtract from there. So I know that I can look at this as 1 over, and that's going to be W to the 4 minus 2. Okay, I can subtract exponents. I identify which one's the bigger one and subtract from there, but I have to write that. I have to make sure that I write that in the denominator, since the W to the fourth is the one I started with. Again, we still have this raised to the third power. Okay, so next, in my next step, 2/3. I have 2/3, and then multiply by 1 over W squared. Still have to cube it. Okay, I'm going step by step. Step by step, I still have to cube it. Some people might want to go ahead and rewrite that. And again, I'm showing a lot of steps here. I certainly don't expect you to show this many steps, but if you can show this many steps, that's a great thing. So I know that 2 times 1 is 2. I know that 3 times W squared is 3W squared. I know that all of this is still raised to the third power, okay? Just as it was to begin. So now, I now only have to take and raise, I'm going to use the power of a fraction property to raise both the numerator and denominator to the third power. I'm going to raise the numerator and the denominator to the third power. And again, I am showing every step here. Okay, I'm showing every step. When I raise these to the power, it breaks down those parentheses. So I have 2 cubed divided by, okay, and remember, I need to raise everything that's being multiplied in the denominator. So 3 cubed times W squared cubed. Okay, I know that these are equivalent, so I'm going to keep moving down the line. I know that 2 cubed is 8. 3 cubed, maybe you have that committed to memory, is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. W cubed raised to the third power. Well, now I have a power of a power. So what happens when I have a power of a power? Okay, I can multiply these two exponents here. Okay, put a little dot in there to show multiplication. to get w to the 6th power. Okay, I know that this is much easier on the eyes than that messy thing that I started with. Okay, I know that 8 over 27w to the 6th is a lot easier to look at. So thank you for watching how to simplify exponential expressions by using simplifying and then using power of a fraction.